Welcome to our Adobe Illustrator tutorial on vector graphics. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a sleek and modern camera shutter icon. For our project, we'll need a hexagon, although you can choose another tool, such as a rectangle, circle, or star, any closed shape. Let's make a stroke for the hexagon and remove the fill. You can also change the color or leave it as it is. Go to the Effect, Transform menu. In this window, all the magic of transforming an object is done. Set the values that you see on the screen and don't be afraid to experiment with your values. Here we set the scale to 92, the number of copies, the degree of slope, and the offset from the center, so try it and you'll get incredible results. We'll also remove the check mark from here, although it also has an interesting result. You can also start editing the object you created at any time by clicking the Transform button on the Properties tab, and the window will reopen. This is the off-centered offset we talked about. An interesting effect. Let's return everything to the way it was. Now you can play with the stroke thickness. If you use the Select tool, you can round all the corners of the object, just make circles out of it. It's simple. Add a gradient for the stroke. Change the colors you need by simply dragging them from the color panel. Add a dark background. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy designing!